Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to Code Careers YouTube channel. So today again I am going to solve another problem based on binary search. Okay. So as you know, binary search series is going on. So I am solving different problems that is most important means multiple places ask this type of problems. So that only I am solving here. So today I will work on you have given sorted and rotated array. Find you need to search. I can write. I think here search element in sorted rotated array. Okay. So it is like you have. Yeah, I will tell you how means which kinds of array could be there. That is sorted and rotated. So first see how sorted array. So just like example, you have sorted array 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 5 6 and 7 and 8. If you see it in circle way, so it will be just like 1 and 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So this kinds of array you have cyclic array. So here if you start from this fifth place, so so array will be like this: 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is called sorted and rotated array because it's taken from the sorted array. This is rotated. How it is, if you see here, like in the middle, from started from 1 1 2 3 4, and again you comes to start 5 6 7 8 1 2 3. It is like just like cycle. Okay. So in, if you other word, if you can also think like you have a cyclic array. Okay, from there you can start from anywhere. You can start array from anywhere. This will be rotated sorted array. Okay, but array should be taken from means rotated array should be taken from sorted array only, not for from any type of. Just like example, if you have like example, I can take descending order something. So just like 12 10 9 8 7 4 3 1. This I have all. If you see in anti-clockwise, it is also sorted, but from the clockwise, if you see, because I'm doing from the clockwise only. So clockwise, because I'm retrieving the rotated array from the clockwise rotation, so which type of so if you find start from, instead of 12, if you start from 8. So 8 7 4 3 1 12 10 9. This is also rotated array, but is taken from the descending order sorted. So this is different kinds of problem. Okay, it could not be solved from the current solution. What I am going to tell you. Okay, so you have to take from the only, so means if array is given sorted from array is given rotated array, but is taken from the sorted array only, increasing order sorted array. Okay, if it's taken from the descending order sorted array, so so might be, actually I have not tested, but whatever I'm going to tell you, that solution might not work. Okay, because binary search actually in descending order, if you apply binary search in descending order array, So it will not work actually. That's why I'm saying. But I'll try. Yeah, by modifying something, if you do, I think it could also work, but you have to modify that solution. So I'll check later on, but first I'll go through this input. If you might have given this type of array, so for that you can apply whatever I tell you. Okay, so first you have to understand the question. Then we, because if you could not understand, so I think every time you will be confused. So I'm removing this one. Okay, so if you see here, this is rotated and sorted array. One, two, three, and it could be start from like that also. Like it was 8, so it could be 7, 6, comma 7, comma 8, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6. If you see here, first array part in that is sorted, this one, and the second portion of the sorted array, this one. This is very less and small, and this is large. If you see, there is no issue. I will handle this type of problem. If a simple solution, if you see, you can divide this array into two parts. So for that you have to find out the some pivot that could divide this array into proper way. That particular you have to find out the pivot that could divide this array into two parts, that both arrays, where both arrays could be in sorted order. So this way, if any index, any index in this array, if it could divide this array into these two parts, so you can, it means it is like you have two arrays, sorted arrays, this array and this array. You can apply two search binary search here. You can apply two binary search here. First will be, if you see here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, means you have 9 element in this array. 9 element you have, but you can apply binary search. Binary search first for the starting from the 0 to 2, and other binary search apply, you can apply binary search from 3 to 8. If you could identify the index to separate these two arrays, so you can simply apply two binary search. You can first you can search element. If you let's example, you have to search 3 in this array, either 3 present or not present. If it is present, so return the index of this element. So for that, you first you'll try, first you will try to search in this binary search, through this binary search, and next and second, if it you could not get, if you didn't get here, if you didn't get the element 3 in this binary search, so you again, so you can apply binary search second one. These two ways means you can solve this problem this way also, applying binary search, but you are applying two times binary search actually. First time binary search, first part of the sorted array, second time binary search, second part of the sorted array. But for that you have to identify actually the, you have to identify this separate particular index that could separate proper way this array in two parts. Okay, so to find out the pivot, you could apply any concept. If you are doing to find out like a simple order of iteration from the beginning, like from 0 to I is equal to 0 to n, so complexity will be 0 to n. So complexity will be order of n for searching that particular element only. So there is no meaning of applying the binary search later on. Okay, because you have already used order of n complexity. So it means if you could search this index, third index, three index or two index, anything, two index if you think also. means 8, because if you take 8, so you could divide this array into two parts. If you find 1, also you could divide array into two parts. So either you can find out 8 or 1. Means any index you have to find out that could divide array into two parts, where both arrays should be in sorted order properly. Okay, then you can apply this concept to find out this particular index pivot. You can that index I can say as a pivot index. Okay, so if you find out this pivot index in order of log n at least, order of log n at least, then it is beneficiary to use this type of solution. You can simply use to find out pivot. Okay, here if you see, I am applying how you can identify this pivot into order of log n. It means here also you have to apply binary search only. Surely we can find out, because I'll tell you later on how I can find out. You can think here also. You could apply binary search in whole array. Okay, in whole array to search binary search. If you apply into whole array, okay, you have to find out the any element for that, any index यानी कि mid, any mid for that it is less than this mid is less than mid plus 1, and also if it is less than array mid minus 1, or you can use array mid greater than from both side. For this, to find out this index, to find out this index 3 index, you can apply this one, or to find out this, you can apply this one array, because 8 always, if you any order, if any element exists in any order, 8 will be greater only from by the left and right element. Need, but actually this solution is not fine, but still I'm telling you, but I'll tell you why I am telling you. Okay, mid plus 1, sorry, because here I have to apply minus as 3 times. Mid minus 1, from mid minus 1 also it is greater than, from here also it is greater than, means ये 8 जो एलिमेंट है ये ग्रेटर देन है प्रीवियस एलिमेंट और ग्रेटर देन है नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट्स आल्सो. और if you say about for 1, it is actually less than, it will be less than from the left element or right, and less than from the right element also. So you can divide, you can find out mid this be using these two conditions. Okay, but I currently actually for this lecture I'm not going to apply this solution, because it's not up to I think I up to date or standard solution if you say, because I'm have to apply this binary search into 3 times. Okay, so what I'm thinking. Okay, so let's go to directly solution. What I could do, देखो सिंपल, अगर you are using binary a linear solution, order of n only you are thinking, there is no issue, you can directly search using simple loop. But if you want to optimize it into order of log n, so you have to use this current solution that I am now going to tell you. Okay, यहाँ पे मल्टीपल सोल्यूशन हो सकते हैं, बट वही है मेन चीज़ हमारा अप्रोच, बेस्ट अप्रोच हमें यहाँ पे अप्लाई करनी है. ठीक है, एक लेक्चर में बहुत सारे सोल्यूशन नहीं बता सकते। यहाँ पे देखो दूसरा तरीका भी आप कर सकते हो। यू कैन, आई थिंक, if you can find this index, you means a pivot element you can find, and you can, I think, reverse this element, all element, or you can find this pivot, any pivot element, 8 or 1 index, 1 values index, 3 or 2, anything. You could sort this complete whole array, and you can apply directly one time only binary search. How you can do? You can means you can find one in pivot element, and then you can, if you swap this element, place this all these element into right side. I have taken 6 two times, I think, here, so I can remove this 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So you can move this previous element into after 5. Okay, or you can, or other way, yeah, because you have to make a ascending order only, that's why you have to move left element, all left element into right side from index 3. All element left side element you can move into right side. So this, that way you can do, but now I am going to apply another solution. So let's try now. You have given, I can remove this text also, I can use this space to write our code also. Okay, and this also I'll remove here because I have to save space, and I can increase. So now let's go to solution here, proper solution. So what I am thinking here actually, in binary search, what you will do, I can, yeah, basic steps I can write. First function, you have an array of int. Okay, I could let's write properly here. So you have int array, and you have int len, and also int, and you have to find out some, you have to search some value that is x. Okay, this number you have to search either it exists in array or not. So what we usually do in binary search, you have to take some st element, int st. So st I could take from the beginning 0 only, and ed you have to take, ed you could take here n minus 1 directly. And now you have to apply binary search while loop, while st less than or equal to ed. Till that time you have to iterate the loop. Now you have to calculate mid. This is same case, we are not doing anything else extra thing. It is same as binary search, whatever you will do. What I have to modify actually I'll do later on. Okay, mid is equal to st plus ed modular, no, divide by 2. So now I found mid actually, so I can keep iterating also here. Okay, manually dry and run also we can do here. L, h and m. L is 0, and size n, what I have n here, n is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 element means h will be 7, and m I can calculate here. And search element, what I need to search here, x is equal to, I have to search 3. Okay, that's 3 I have to search here. So now calculate mid. Mid will be 3 because 7 by 2 by a is equal to 3. So 3 zeroth index also I can write. It will be very easy. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So 3 index means I comes to this place. This has divided actually in two parts. Mid already divided into two parts. But always it will not work that way. Okay. So I think I should take another example. because this is very simple example comes here because it's this mid is divided this array into two parts properly. If you see here, left part sorted and right part sorted, but usually it will not happen always. Okay, so I can take another example. Let's try different one. I don't need want to remove, actually I can write another place. So this one only I will modify array. How I can modify? I could modify it some way like 5 I have, 6 I have. Okay. So I have say 6 comma 7 only, and I have 8 also. Then 1 I have 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right part I am making larger. Why? Because of mid comes to right side area mid between right side only. So that's why I'm making it larger. So mid comes to near, okay, this 7. Now let's try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So n is equal to I have 10, and what I have to search here I can write here. I wanted to search 1. Either 1 is exist or not. Okay, now let's try again. I have L and H index also. I can write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 H 9 and M is equal to 4. So M is equal to 4 means M comes to here. Now if you see, left part is not sorted completely, because if you see here 0 to H, 0 to mid, so 6, 7, 8, then 1, then 2. For this case, if you see, yeah, I can write here also L, H, and M, and M will, because 0, 7, M will be 3. So I need to search here 3. This case is simple. Left array is sorted, right array also sorted, but this case if you see, left array is left array is not sorted properly and right array is sorted. Okay, so what I can do actually, if left part is sorted means is a zeroth index value is less than mid index value. Okay, mid at 3 index actually. So this case I can write, and then later on I can check either this 3 is exist between 5 and 8, because why I can add why I could means check this either 3 is exist between this or not, because it is sorted. That's why I can use condition if 3 means x is greater than, if x is greater than 5 or and x is less than 8, it means x is exist between 5 and 8. ओके, सिंपल सी कंडीशन है, आप डायरेक्टली यूज कर सकते हो। क्यों? क्योंकि हम पहले चेक कर चुके हैं, क्योंकि ये असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में है, बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलरेडी चेक्ड इफ एरे सॉरी इफ एरे लो if array low is less than or equal to array mid, but before that I have to check one condition also again. More One more condition I need to add here. First, base condition that we are using from the beginning only. If array mid is equal to x है, तो आप डायरेक्टली यहाँ पर रिटर्न मार दो। ठीक, बेस कंडीशन ये ऑलवेज हमें यूज कर, इतना कोड मैंने जो लिखा है ये सारा कुछ बाइनरी सर्च का है, जो कि हम बिगिनिंग से ही यूज कर रहे हैं। ठीक, आप यहाँ पर मिड रिटर्न करवा सकते हो। सो सिंपल इज दैट। अदरवाइज अगर ऐसा नहीं होता है तब आपको कंडीशन यूज करनी है, इफ एरे लो अगर ग्रेटर इक्वल टू है, ग्रेटर और इक्वल टू क्यों हम यूज करेंगे, आप ये बताओ मुझे। भाई आई शुड यूज इक्वल टू मिड, नहीं, मुझे नहीं यूज करना चाहिए, क्योंकि इक्वल टू वाला कंडीशन तो यहीं पे हम यूज कर चुके हैं। ठीक है, बट यूज भी कर सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है कि एरे लो जो हमारा है लेस इक्वल टू है एरे मिड के। इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि जो एरे मिड है, ये वाला मिड जो 8 है, ये जो है और ये हमारा क्या है, या ग्रेटर देन है या इक्वल टू है किसके, 5 के। तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, क्योंकि असेंडिंग ऑर्डर होगा तभी प्रॉपरली ये हो पाएगा, अदरवाइज नहीं होगा। तो हम वेरीफाई कर रहे हैं क्या ये लेफ्ट पार्ट हमारा सॉर्टेड है असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में प्रॉपरली या नहीं है। अगर ऐसा है, इफ इट इज, देन आई कैन चेक वन मोर कंडीशन। क्या कर चेक कर सकते हैं, तो सिंपल से आपको भी पता है कि अगर हमें पता है कि ये सॉर्टेड है, तो इसका मतलब अगर हम चेक कर लेते हैं, इफ यू कुड आइडेंटिफाई लाइक एक्स इज ग्रेटर देन 5 एंड लेस देन 8, तो इसका मतलब है कि ये बीच में ही होगा। एक्स जो हमारा है सर्च एलिमेंट बीच में ही होगा। ठीक है, तो अगर हम क्या यूज करेंगे, इफ क्या यूज करेंगे, एक्स, इफ एक्स इज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू, एक्स इज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू एरे लो एंड x is less than array of mid मीन्स इज लेस देन array mid। इक्वल टू क्यों नहीं कह सकते हैं, क्योंकि इक्वल टू होता तो यहाँ से सर्च हो जाता। ठीक है, तो ये इस तरीके से हम कह सकते हैं ये। तो अगर ऐसा है कि अगर हमारा जो सर्च एलिमेंट है अगर इसके और इसके बीच में एग्जिस्ट करता है, तो इसका मतलब ये पार्ट हम कंप्लीटली छोड़ सकते हैं, इसका कोई मतलब नहीं बनता। ठीक है, तो इसका मतलब है कि ये पार्ट हम छोड़ सकते हैं। तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि हाई जो हमारा था, हाई एच जो था हमारा, अब यहाँ पे ना होकर के अब एट पे आ जाएगा। ठीक है, इट विल बी एट प्लेस एट ओनली नाउ। सो आई कैन मॉडिफाई एक्चुअली एच एज mid -1. Why I'm not doing mid directly? Because mid already compared here at this place. So I can do h is equal to mid -1 because I know x जो है, x वैल्यू जो है एग्जिस्ट करती है बिफोर मिड, बिफोर मिड। अगर ये नहीं कंडीशन ट्रू होती है, बाई चांस इफ इट इज नॉट ट्रू, then what I'll do here, I'll use else, because this condition is not true, it means I'll use low is equal to mid plus 1. If it is not exist that way, means if it means any cases, just a less example, instead of searching 3 we were searching. Yes, okay, here I am searching 3 only. So surely it will comes to else only, because 3 is not exist between them. So I had already taken proper example. So there is no issue. If I was, I means if I would have search this one like 6 or 7 something element, then it goes to this condition. Otherwise, for now this current cases x is equal to 3, it will comes to here mid plus 1. So it means now left part I can leave, because I don't need to, don't have to search here left part, because I know, I am sure 100% my element exists right side of the mid. Okay, I can close this if, but if you see for this case, for this case, in this case if you see, low is not less than array mid, low is not less than array mid. So what I'll do here now, because my array is not sorted, my array is not sorted, left part is not sorted here. So what I can do here now means, okay, it means I need to check, I have to check for the right side of the array. क्यों? क्योंकि लेफ्ट पार्ट में तो हम चेक नहीं कर सकते। वाई आई कुड नॉट चेक, बिकॉज because I know left side of the array, left part of the array is not sorted. It means I I'm not sure actually. I'm not sure either three or sorry, I'm searching here one is exist exist inside 6 and 2 or not exist. So instead of checking here I could check this right part because I'm 100% sure if left part is not sorted it means right part will be sorted 100%. राइट पार्ट आई कैन से राइट पार्ट शुड बी सॉर्टेड होना ही चाहिए ठीक है ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि लेफ्ट पार्ट अगर सॉर्टेड नहीं है तो राइट पार्ट भी नहीं होगा नहीं होगा अगर लेफ्ट पार्ट सॉर्टेड है हो सकता है राइट पार्ट सॉर्टेड ना हो ठीक है ये हो सकता है केस क्योंकि हम साइक्लिक यहाँ पे हम आपको ऑलरेडी इसीलिए आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू कि हम जो रोटेटेड एरिया ले रहे हैं this is taken from the sorted array only. So so it is simple is that here means left part is not sorted so I cannot means check this way this condition in left side. But I am sure I can check same this condition in right side of the mid right side of the mid. So I can do here क्या x जो है हमारा क्या x जो हमारा ग्रेटर और इक्वल टू है एरे के मिड क्या राइट साइड जो x जो हमारा है ग्रेटर देन एरे के मिड से है या नहीं है एंड और क्या जो x एलिमेंट जो वट एवर आई एम सर्चिंग हियर x इफ इट इज लेस देन okay I should not take here equal to okay because mid already I have checked so always you should remember here you should not take for the mid you should not take equal to sign okay you have to use only less than or greater. So here if x is greater than mid and x is less equal to here I you have to take equal to sign. Why you have to take equal to less or equal to sign? Actually equal to sign I should take properly here because in our case we can take here that will equal to sign. So x is less or equal to array of h. H I need to include in searching. Okay, mid I have to exclude. So if this condition is true means ये जो 10 है क्या हमारा 3 और 7 के बीच में एग्जिस्ट करता है तो नहीं एग्जिस्ट करता है अगर करता है तो हमें यहाँ पे व्हाट आई हैव टू डू हियर आई हैव टू डू मिड इज इक्वल सॉरी लो इज इक्वल टू low is I have to modify low here low because I am skipping left part of the mid so low will be mid sorry mid plus 1 okay so and else if it does not exist in right side of the mid it means it surely it exists in left part of the mid so one by one I can decrease the size of the left part of the array so mid here high will be high I am reducing mid by 1 mid minus 1 so now high will be at this place instead of mid because I have already compared because 2 is not equal to third element but I was searching here 10 already there is no place means 10 is not exist here in always but yeah instead of 10 I can here write another value instead of 10 I could say here I was searching 7 or 6 7 or 8 I could say 7 I was searching 7 so it is just left part of the array so I can say this way if this means a such element is not found in complete while loop so at the last I surely I can return minus in our case if you see here in this second first I think already I have done because I was searching here x is equal to 3 okay I could do here code my code part is completed now so both condition for both condition actually both cases I have completed complete code okay okay So now I can, yeah, try and run manually here. I was having L0 for this part, and I can say one part and this one for secondary. So for first 0 7 3 3 means comes here, left part is sorted, so it doesn't exist here. Right side it exists in right side, so L will be incremented mid plus 1, L will be incremented with mid plus 1, it L comes to here. So again I will calculate 7 4 11 by 2 6 5, and mid becomes 5. So 5 comes to here, second index. Okay. So 5 mid comes to 5. I'll again check left, right, left part of the array. 4 5 4 5 is sorted, and 3 doesn't exist. So it means again I have to go right side of the array. So L becomes mid plus 1, yani ki 6. 6, and when I'll get mid as a 6, so it will compare through this condition, and it will return mid. Okay, because 3 it comes to mid only. So in this case if you see, mid 0 9 mid becomes 4, and because it left part is not sorted, so I'm checking for the right part, and the 7 does not exist. Oh, 7 actually exists both side of the array. आई एम सो सॉरी यार, ये क्या कर डाला मैंने। 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7। ओके, ये मैंने प्रॉपर क्या एरे मैंने नहीं लिया है यहाँ पे। ओके, सो आई शुड टेक अनदर वे। if I taken 7 here, so I can modify left part of the array. Okay, no problem, I'll modify. So surely it was 1 and 3 element before 1. I can use 7 after 7. I can take 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. Okay. This is proper example, and it is taken from the rotated array of sorted array in caging order. Okay. So now if you see size, what is the size? N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. N is equal to 10. I have here 10, and high 9, low 0. All these are fine. 0, 1, 2, 3. And now mid comes to fourth index. Mid comes to 4 index because I was searching for element. Now I can modify. I was searching as a 10 9 element. Okay, I am searching for 9, either 9 exist or not. So I am searching here 9. So if you see here, because left part of the array is not sorted, so I'll my flow comes to here, and here right side I'll check either between 3 and 7 is this search element exist or not. It doesn't exist, so it means I need to go for left side of the array only. So it means h becomes mid minus 1. Mid minus 1 means h become mid minus 1 means h comes to 3. Now again calculate mid. 0 3 by 2, so 2 it comes, I think, 1 only, 1. And if you see for the 1, I got it. Mid comes to 1 means for this condition you will return index 1 because 9 matches with 1 index of the array. So this is the solution. If you like this video, so please like, share, subscribe, share whatever you could do. Okay. So I can write code also. I thought I had written, but let's check away. So here I can write. It will not take much time actually here. So simply I can do int low and high int st length. st is equal to st is equal to low means 0, and int pd is equal to, I actually lot of noise is coming from outside. So Here I can write ed is equal to n minus 1, and I can calculate STED while condition. I can write here while ST is less than ED, T is less than ED, and I need to calculate mid is equal to ST plus ED by 2. Okay, now let's try check base condition. What is the base condition here? Base condition is simple is that array mid if it is equal to third element, so simply I can return here mid. There is no issue, but for the next condition I need to check if array is sorted or not, left part of the array is sorted or not. Okay, if array low value is less than array is low value is less than array mid. If left low means st, sorry, if array low is less than, then I need to check either x is greater than array st and less equal to, sorry, not less only, less equal to st, and x is less than array, sorry, x is less than array mid. Okay, if this is true, so it means element exists left side of the array, means ed is equal to mid minus 1. Else left array value is not exists left side of the array, means st becomes mid plus 1. Okay, now comes to here, means if left side of the array is not sorted, means you could check some condition here, but for the right side of the array, check if x is greater than mid not equal to, you should not check equal to, actually x is greater than mid and less equal to, here you have to check ed equal to sign, so it means st becomes mid plus 1 because it exists left side of the array, right side means x exists right side of the array, otherwise it exists right side of the array. Okay, this way I can do here. So for the last, if we didn't find third element, so you could return minus 1 at last. So let's try searching minus 1 y, x is equal to 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. N is equal to 9 and st0 edn minus 1. I did something wrong here actually. If st less equal to ed, this condition was wrong. Mid, if I could try again. Okay. Still minus 1 means I have some other issue. If array mid is equal to third element x I am searching actually 0 here. If it is return, otherwise if array st, अगर st जो हमारा है स्टार्ट एलिमेंट इज लेस देन है एरे के मिड से, तो हमें चेक करना है क्या x एग्जिस्ट करता है इफ x ग्रेटर इक्वल टू एस टी एंड एक्स लेस देन मिड। तो हम यहाँ पे अगर ये एग्जिस्ट करता है लेफ्ट साइड में तो इसका मतलब है कि हमें इंड जो है मिड माइनस वन कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज स्टार्ट को मिड प्लस वन करेंगे। इन दिस इल्स कंडीशन हमें चेक करना पड़ेगा राइट साइड, यानी कि इफ एक्स इज ग्रेटर देन, एक्स अगर हमारा ग्रेटर देन है मिड के एंड एक्स लेस इक्वल टू इंड है, एक्स जो है लेस देन है इक्वल टू इंड है, तो एस टी हमारा जो होगा, स्टार्ट हमारा जो होगा हमें राइट साइड में चेक करना पड़ेगा फिर, यानी कि एस टी बिकम्स मिड प्लस वन, एस टी बिकम्स मिड प्लस वन एंड ईडी बिकम्स सॉरी हाँ, एस टी बिकम्स मिड प्लस वन, अदरवाइज ईडी बिकम्स मिड माइनस वन। अगर ये राइट साइड में एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता है तो इसका मतलब लेफ्ट साइड में एग्जिस्ट करता है, लेफ्ट साइड में एग्जिस्ट करता है तो ईडी मिड माइनस वन करना पड़ेगा। तो सही से दिया है, कोई इशू मुझे नहीं लग रहा है। अगर नहीं चलता है तो इसका मतलब हमें इसको डिबग करना पड़ेगा। स्टिल आई एम गेटिंग माइनस वन बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट मैचिंग, एक्स एरे मिड एस टी प्लस ईडी बाई टू, आई एम डूइंग रॉन्ग। एस टी ई डी एस टी एस टी ई डी एस टी एस टी ई डी, everything is fine. I don't think any there is any issue. So no problem. I'll modify here. Okay. Sorry, debug here, and I'll identify very easily. So what is the my ST 0 and ED was 8, ED was 8, and mid comes to 4th index. Fourth index means 0, 1, 2, 3, fourth index here. AD comes to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, example is fine now. So mid comes to here and array mid is equal to x, not equal to x. क्या लेफ्ट पार्ट ऑफ द एरे सॉर्टेड है? नहीं सॉर्टेड है। सो राइट पार्ट ऑफ द एरे सॉर्टेड है, हाँ बिल्कुल सॉर्टेड है, क्योंकि 2 to 4, 2 to 5 and value 0 not does not exist actually. सी इट विल फ्लो कम्स टू राइट साइड, राइट साइड वो भी ई डी हमारा जो मिड माइनस वन हो गया। ओके, ई डी क्या होगा? मिड माइनस वन हो गया, बिल्कुल सही है। ई डी कम्स टू थ्री, एक्सपेक्टेड 0, 1, 2, 3। कैन कैलकुलेट मिड 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3। आई वॉज सर्चिंग 0 ओनली हियर एंड एस टी, what will be the mid here? Mid calculated st plus ed, st is st here, I have 0 plus 3 by 2, it comes to 1, 0, 1 index, mid will be at 1 index. You can think here mid comes to 1 here, and for 1, 0, 1, if you see left part is sorted but doesn't exist, left part is sorted but doesn't exist, so st will be mid plus 1, yani ki st becomes again, st becomes 0, 1, 2. See here doesn't exist, st becomes 2. Okay, st becomes 2 and ed, what is ed? Ed 3, 0, 1, 2 and 3, ed is 3. So if you calculate mid st plus ed, so st have 2 and ed is 3, 3 to 5 by 2 becomes 2 only, 0, 1, 2 only. So for the 2, if you see, okay, calculate here now again, mid comes to 2 only again, means mid comes to 2, 0, 1, 2 and st I have 2, means both having same position. There is no issue I think for that, because mid comes to 2 and ed I have 3, st I have 2, So I am at same position, and because it does not exist 3, because I was searching for 0 but 2 is 8, so this condition is false. क्या एरे एस टी लेस देन है या नहीं है? नहीं है। यहाँ पे एक चीज़ आप देख सकते हो, यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम क्या हुआ कि मैंने यहाँ पे इक्वल टू साइन नहीं लिया था। ठीक है, एस टी लेस या इक्वल टू मिड है। ठीक, इफ एस टी लेस इक्वल टू मिड है तो चेक करेंगे क्या सॉर्टेड है एरे। सॉर्टेड एरे कैसे चेक करेंगे? एस टी और मिड, क्या एक्स ग्रेटर देन, एक्स हमारा ग्रेटर इक्वल टू, चेक करते हैं एस एक्स हमारा, अगर अभी तो हम इसके लिए ही चेक करते हैं हमारा कहाँ पे गलत था वो पकड़ जाएगा। ठीक है, अभी हम कुछ मॉडिफाई नहीं करेंगे, यहाँ पे जाते हैं तो ये इंड जो हमारा है यहाँ पे मिड -1 एस टी देखते हैं ये कंडीशन हमारा ट्रू होता है या नहीं होता है। ये नहीं होगा, आई थिंक नहीं होगा, तभी ये देखो यही गलती थी यहाँ पे। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे आपको गलती मिल गई है, इसका मतलब हम चलाते हैं दोबारा से यहाँ पे 3। ठीक, तो यहाँ पे ये सिर्फ साइन जो था ग्रेट लेस या इक्वल टू चेक करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे। तो 0 1 2 3, दिस इज द माई आंसर, दिस इज माई आंसर हियर। मीन्स such the element exist in third index। थैंक यू गाइस, सी यू, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में। लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। बाय।